Hello and welcome to the channel. Unity in Diversity, Many in the One. Introduction. The idea of unity in diversity. Concepts of unity and diversity. Unity in diversity refers to the harmonious existence of different cultures, customs, traditions, and practices under a single unified system. It emphasizes that diversity can thrive within a common framework. Rabindranath Tagore and Sri Aurobindo are prominent figures who discuss the concept of unity within diversity, believing that the essence of India lies in its ability to bring together a multitude of different identities under one cohesive whole. Relevance of unity in diversity. This idea is not just philosophical but practical in India, where diverse languages, cultures, and traditions coexist. It is seen as the foundation of India's identity. Number 1. Understanding India's diversity. Demographic and cultural diversity. India is home to over 1.4 billion people, speaking more than 325 languages. These languages belong to four major language families: Indo-Aryan, Dravidian, Austro-Asiatic, and Tibeto-Burman. India's diversity also encompasses religious beliefs: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, etc. Customs, attire, and festivals. Number 2. A rich diversity. Diverse landscapes and practices. India's geological variety, from the Himalayan peaks in the north to the coastal plains in the south and the Thar Desert in the west to the tropical rainforest in the east, creates diverse environmental conditions. These differences influence customs, food, and attire. The People of India Survey, conducted by the Archaeological Survey of India. This survey recorded 4,635 communities across India, reflecting the enormous diversity in culture, language, and ethnicity. This rich cultural mosaic also reveals a deep sense of interconnectedness through shared traditions, rituals, and practices. Number 3. Food for all. Common ingredients in Indian cuisine. Despite regional differences, there are shared ingredients such as rice, barley, wheat, pulses, millets, and spices like turmeric, cumin, ginger, etc. The versatility of these ingredients allows for regional variations in cuisine. Biryani in Hyderabad, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Pakhala Bhat in Odisha, etc. But they all share a common base of ingredients. Unity in diversity through food. While the preparation styles and recipes differ, the ingredients used in Indian cuisine create a common thread, symbolizing unity in diversity. In every region, The use of spices plays a major role in unifying the diverse culinary practices. Number 4. Textiles and clothing. Traditional clothing, sari for women and dhoti for men, are worn throughout India but with regional variations. The Banarasi, Kanjivaram, and Mysore sarees differ in design, fabric, and production techniques but are worn by women across the nation. The common thread of tradition. The sari is a symbol of cultural unity, representing the shared heritage of India, though its style and fabric vary. Similarly, dhoti is worn in different forms across India, from the mundum neriyathum in Kerala to the lungi in the south. Number 5. Festivals galore. Regional festivals with a common theme. Many festivals, though celebrated differently, share common cultural themes such as celebrating harvest and honoring nature. For example, Makara Sankranti, Pongal, and Uttarayan are all harvest festivals celebrated at different times but with similar customs. Unity in diversity through festivals. Despite regional differences in names and celebrations, these festivals demonstrate the unity of purpose, focusing on gratitude for nature and community bonds. Number 6. Literature, a unity in diversity. Panchatantra. Written in Sanskrit, the Panchatantra is a collection of animal fables that convey moral lessons. It has been translated into various languages and had and adopted in different cultural settings. The shared wisdom across cultures highlights the idea of unity in diversity in literature. The epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata. The Ramayana and Mahabharata are two ancient Indian epics, originally written in Sanskrit, but translated and adapted into many regional languages. These stories have universal themes such as dharma, righteousness, justice, and truth, transcending linguistic, cultural, and geographical boundaries. Cultural unity through art and literature. These epics have found their place in regional folk traditions, theatre, and paintings. The Ramayana, for example, has different versions in places like Bali, Thailand, and Indonesia. The Mahabharata also finds expression in local dances, stories, and dramas. Number 7. Conclusion. Unity celebrates diversity. Importance of unity in diversity. India's strength lies in its ability to celebrate its diversity while maintaining a sense of unity. This unity is achieved through shared cultural symbols, democratic values, legal systems, and national identity. Key takeaways. India's unity in diversity is a practical reality seen in its food, clothing, festivals, literature, and art forms. Diversity doesn't divide, rather, it enriches India's culture, and unity gives it a sense of identity and cohesion.